Hi there, YouTube. It is I, the one, the only Naudia Exotica, and I wanted to do this really quick video to explain to you how to dye your hair jet black with henna. Now, the only reason why I know how to do this, or that this is even possible, is because of the wonderful Andalera. She is on YouTube. She had a channel previously to the one she has now, but YouTube took it down because they're, you know, I don't even want to get into that, but it's so, YouTube took her first channel down, and I remember her having a video of how to do this. So then I bought Indigo and Henna powder, and the company that I got it from, called the Henna Guys. Yeah, the Henna Guys. They have a video explaining how to do it, and I figured, why not just make another video explaining and showing, I guess, my results, and not only that, but kind of and, you know, tips and tricks. So I also will be like putting some clips in on my blog, so there'll be like a short little video showing, you know, me mixing up the henna and the indigo. So anyways, so yes, I owe it to her. The only reason why I know this is possible is because of her, and it works like a charm. It is amazing. Now, I no longer want to use direct heat on my hair. So this is in its mostly natural state, although last night I did do a roller set on my hair. So it's kind of like, it's not technically direct heat of the blow dryer, but it kind of, I mean, you put it under a cap and, you know, so it's not like a straightener or a hair curler, but it is like, I will, you know, use, like, I'll blow dry my hair. And I need to stop using heat on my hair because I noticed that with my curl pattern, it's really off. Like, I guess like the ends are more straight and less curly than the roots. So I kind of want to just replenish my hair, figure out different styles, different ways to wear it, because it's just so much, doing so much to your hair. I mean, I used to do so much. I used to dye my hair, I even bleached my hair at one point. My bangs were falling off. It was terrible. I wear extensions at times. Sometimes I would wear weaves, sometimes wigs, all of that. And it's just so much on your hair. It adds a lot of stress on your hair. So I figured I need a nice break, and why not welcome in the new year with like a more natural approach, you know? So anyway, dyeing your hair jet black with henna. Firstly, what you're gonna wanna do is get your henna powder, and measurements vary, obviously, depending on how long your hair is. But so take your henna powder, put it in a glass bowl, ideally glass, not metal, glass. And if you don't have glass, I didn't have glass, but I use this ceramic bowl. So I figured next best thing, it's not metal. Then you can either take, she, in her video, her original video, she said you could use orange juice, which I thought was interesting, to activate the henna, or you can use brewed black coffee, green tea, or distilled purified water. I had to use water because I did it really late at night. So yes, so you're gonna do that, mix it all up really, really nice. I mean, I just realized that the directions are on the back anyway, but mix it all up really, really nice, kind of like a pancake batter consistency. Let it process for, you let the henna process for, oh my goodness, wait. Oh yeah, 8 to 10 hours. Okay, I'm like, oh my goodness. So you let the henna process for 8 to 10 hours, then you put it on your hair and let that sit for 3 hours straight. Rinse that out with cold water, ideally. And then I personally did shampoo for the henna, but then I'll explain to you what I did later on. So rinse that all out, rinse the henna out of your hair. You'll see mine kind of turned more like a chocolate brown kind of tinge to it. I've seen some people have like red hair with it, but anyways, don't be alarmed if you have a red finish or like a coppery finish to your hair. It's totally normal and fine. The indigo will adhere to it. It gives it a better canvas, sort of, you know, canvas, to attach itself to. So then after you rinse out the henna, then you're going to, or technically I did this while it was still sitting, but like 45 minutes before I was supposed to rinse it out. That way, you know, vigilant. I put this in the bowl, mixed it up really nicely, and then let this process for 45 minutes. Then what you do is you apply this on the head and let this sit for another 3 hours. Once you rinse it out, I mean, you could literally see, if you go to my blog and see the video that I'm going to post, it's pitch black pretty much, slash like it has like bluish undertones, but in my hair, of course, like I don't notice, it doesn't look blue. This is completely jet black, which is amazing. So yeah, it's actually really just, it's gonna take about a day or so, you know, of a process, so it's very involved, but the results are amazing, and you're not putting terrible fucking chemicals in your hair using a box dye or something like that. So I hope this helped any inquiring minds who wanted to know a more natural approach to getting jet black hair. This is absolutely the way to go, and you will not regret it at all. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you know, video requests, feel free to email me. My email is nadiaexotica@gmail.com. You can also follow me on all my social medias. The link is nadiaexotica.com. And then you can also read my blog. There I will have the short clips of me mixing up the henna and indigo powder. That's nadiascuriotrove.com/blog. And until the next video, you will hear from me soon.